First flour. I'm going to add just a little bit pinch of salt. Mix well. After that we need water. Add slowly. Make a dough like a momo dough. Everyone know how to make momo dough. It's almost like the same. After that, mix very well. Do for 5 to 6 minutes like this. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Chicken, whatever you like, you can go with that. So small pieces. So here I'm going to add just a little bit of water. When you put the water, it's easy to chop because it's not stick in the knife. Now it's done. Next I'm going to cut into small pieces cabbage. Use 1 onion. Really use garlic leaves. If you don't have garlic leaves, you can add green onion leaves. Ginger, next garlic. Now let's make the sauce. For sauce, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons cooking oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon salt, just a little bit of black pepper, half teaspoon sugar, corn flour, and before making sauce add I'm going to use my hand. Now very nicely mixed, and I'm going to add all the vegetable. All the ingredients very well. Here I'm going to add 1 egg. Mix all the very well. After that, taste the salt. If not enough to salt, you can add more. Here I'm going to add just a little bit more salt. Now it's done. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. Now let's make the momo dumpling. Skin. Now cut into small pieces. Here I'm going to use one tray and just add a little bit flour. Now add the meat and just press it down and take a both of sides, and your finger will keep in mirror and pinch both of side and just fold, pinch, fold, pinch, fold, pinch, fold, pinch, fold. Here you go, it's ready. This is Japanese style momo. The 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Apply the oil lightly. Now add the gyoza. Now what you want to do, add the hot water. Half cover water neat. Okay. And cover, cook for 10 minutes on normal high heat. Let's have water. See, and you just add a little bit sesame oil. Just again cover and cook for 2-3 minutes. Now it's bottom side crispy or not. It's crispy. So now I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes. I'm going to make 2 different style sauce. One is spicy, one is non-spicy. Add the 1 teaspoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon soy sauce, add just a little bit sugar, and one side I'm going to add chili, green chili, and just a little bit garlic. On the other side I'm going to add only garlic. Add 1 teaspoon water because soy sauce is very sticky, so I'm going to add just a little bit. Okay, it's ready, good guys. Thank you guys. So if you like, you can go with just a little bit sesame seed. It's looking nice. Now it's perfect. Thank you guys. Sauce is ready. Now take one plate.